Daniel Day-Lewis has attended many award ceremonies, but the first Freedom of Wicklow event was a truly original occasion. So why was he chosen to receive this honour?
He really has a fantastic career, and he's one of the most famous residents of County Wicklow, and we are very appreciative that he has come from England and living in County Wicklow, and it's an honour for us to have him here.
Featuring performances from local musicians and with politicians and the film world represented, the ceremony was a very special one for the long-time Wicklow resident, who spoke about what the county means to him.
This is the place that sustains me. It's the place where I planted myself. This is where the seeds are sown, and when the work is done, it's to this place that I return to as a refuge, a place where I might restore myself, where the hills are my guardians. It's a place where I feel the freedom to lie fallow if I need to for a period of time, the freedom to grow.
As well as being placed on Wicklow's Roll of Honour, Daniel Day-Lewis was also presented with a sun disc designed by local craftsman Brian Hackett, and flowers were presented to his wife, writer Rebecca Miller. Sinead Crowley, RTE News, Rathnew, County Wicklow.